Welcome to Rahul Texture Art. Today, we are going to create something truly beautiful together. Sometimes art is not only something we see, sometimes it is something we feel. Textured art has a beautiful way of speaking to both the young and the old. Children are fascinated by its playful forms, while experienced eyes discover stories hidden inside every elevation and every shadow. Nature itself is full of textures. The bark of a tree, the roughness of stone, the waves upon the sand, and mountains shaped by time, all remind us that texture has always been part of life. Perhaps that is why textured art feels so close to our hearts. It is more than paint, more than canvas. It becomes a bridge between meditation, spirituality, and the creative journey within. Years from now, these moments may quietly disappear, but the feelings we pour into art can continue touching hearts. And somewhere, long after these colors have dried, this creative journey will still remain alive. So welcome, dear friends. Let us create something beautiful together. Whether you are a complete beginner, an entry artist, or an experienced creator, this journey is for everyone. There are no strict rules here. No pressure. No fear. Only curiosity, experimentation, and joy. Grab your tools, prepare your colors, and let us begin this wonderful adventure together. Today's painting uses something incredibly simple. Only one tool is responsible for all the layering magic. A humble bottle cap. Sometimes extraordinary beauty is hidden inside ordinary things. You will be amazed to see how a simple bottle cap can create depth, patterns, movement, and wonderful surprises. Art constantly reminds us that creativity does not depend upon expensive tools. It depends upon imagination. And today, we shall witness that magic together. The texture is now complete, and patience becomes our next companion. Sometimes waiting is also part of creating. Beautiful things unfold in their own time. Nature never rushes, and art does not either. Now, before applying colors, let us simply feel the surface. Observe the valleys, the elevations, the shadows, and the tiny details. Every texture has its own personality. Every layer carries a memory. Before colors arrive, the canvas already begins telling its story. Now let us begin our composition, starting with dark brown and beautiful burnt umber. These earthy tones remind me of old wood, ancient rocks, and the warmth of the earth itself. Slowly, the canvas begins to awaken. The shadows become deeper, the forms become stronger, and the journey truly begins. Next comes one of my favorite stages, the first white coat. White has an incredible ability to reveal hidden details. As it gently touches the elevations, the texture suddenly comes alive. Simple, elegant, and mesmerizing. And now, the magic begins to grow. Metallic bronze glaze enters the scene, one of my favorite colors. A color filled with warmth, richness, and timeless beauty. As the bronze gently flows across the surface, it catches the light beautifully. Every angle reveals something new. A quiet glow, like sunlight touching ancient sculptures. Slowly, the painting begins to acquire a completely different personality. The texture becomes deeper, the details become more captivating, and the journey becomes even more magical. Next, we are using soft white sponge techniques. Light touches, gentle movements. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just allowing the texture to breathe. The white highlights softly kiss the elevations, and slowly the artwork begins to awaken, layers upon layers, creating harmony, creating balance, creating beauty. And now comes one of my personal favorites, the magical turquoise, a color that reminds me of peaceful oceans, clear skies, and endless dreams. Using sponge techniques, we carefully introduce this beautiful shade. Immediately, the painting receives a fresh new energy, a calm energy, a joyful energy, and suddenly, the canvas starts speaking with emotion. Now sky blue joins the celebration. Soft, elegant, refreshing, sky blue brings a beautiful freshness to the composition. Together, these colors dance across the texture, creating movement, contrast, and beautiful visual rhythm. This stage always feels magical to me because suddenly the artwork begins telling its own story. Slowly, we approach the climax of our creative journey. Metallic bronze returns once again, but this time only on the important elevations. These special highlights add richness, depth, and a touch of elegance. Light begins dancing across the canvas. Every elevation catches attention. Every shadow gains meaning, and the entire composition reaches its beautiful peak. Finally, the moment we have all been waiting for, the grand reveal. Take a moment. Observe every texture, every color, every elevation, every tiny detail. What began with a simple bottle cap has transformed into something truly captivating, stunning, beautiful, mind-blowing, and mesmerizing. A textured abstract artwork filled with movement, depth, and emotion. Perhaps that is the greatest joy of art. Not perfection, not rules, but the happiness of creating something that did not exist before. And perhaps, somewhere in those moments, this artwork will still be alive, quietly touching hearts, inspiring minds, and spreading beauty forever. Thank you for sharing these peaceful moments with me. I hope this artwork inspires you to experiment, to dream, and to create fearlessly. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep spreading beauty. Happy painting. With love, Rahul Texture Art.